I will start this streaming. So right now it is, I think it is started, guys. So guys, fine. So welcome guys. अब हम लोग today we are going to practice how to, we're not going to practice big int right now in JavaScript. What is that big int? And let me check the voice is proper working or what. So JavaScript big int variable are used to store big integer values that are too big to be represented by a normal JavaScript number. JavaScript integer are only accurate up to 15 digit. Okay, till 15 digit we can give you like this. So what I'll be do, I'll just copy this guy. So why we are practicing here in with our VI editor? The reason is guys, we also practice our Linux environment with JavaScript, the basics concepts, and I'll getting the output here. Let's learn about. Let's go learn something about. Let's learn about something of JavaScript in begin. So in JavaScript, all numbers are stored in 64-bit floating point format, IEEE 754 standard. With the standard, large integer cannot be exactly represented and will be rounded. Because of this, JavaScript can only safely represent integer up to 90071999254. Like this number we can put this is the large, till 15 we can put, and in down to minus we can, whenever we in a negative number, whenever we use in down like this, we can give this figure, we can put the integer value outside this range loss precisions. How to create big int? To big int, append and end of an integer or call big int. So what I'll be doing here, see, but I'll copy this guy. I'll copy this guy and I'll open the VI editor, and for deleting this I'll use D. Okay, and for pasting that code, and I'll have to Control Shift F. In terminal we have to use Control Shift F in Linux environment. Okay, and from back to this in editor we have to use colon WQ. Okay, using colon WQ we can give, and we'll come back here and refresh. So what is happening in this code? Let's see. So we define one x variable has a long integer type of data, but till there. So what we does here, we just use big int function. Using this big int, we put our that number and here is the document.element by id demo. We have in that .html file, we have already created one button id as demo. Right now we have in right here we just added, and inner.html equals to, here means what, inner.html is equals to x. So we have getting x and y. So let's check the output what we are getting. See, we are getting the same only, right? And next, still we come to here. If we come here, big int, a new JavaScript data types. A JavaScript type of big int is a byte. So guys, don't much expect from this tutorial. I am just practicing JavaScript, and if you have some issues or something in JavaScript, so I can resolve while I'm practicing myself and revising all the concepts of JavaScript. And and what is that here? So what type of data if you want to check? So we can just simply use like this. We just define one variable has big int and type of how we can check. I'll just control D, only D, only not control D, only D, and using control shift F we can paste. And for out, for back from this vi editor we have to use the colon wq and come back to our URL and just refresh it and see what type of data we are getting. This is big int. Fine. So big int is a second numeric data type in JavaScript after number. Big int is the total number of support data types in JavaScript is 8. So what are those? String, numbers, big int, boolean, undefined, null, symbol, subjects. Big int operators. Using big int we can also use the operators. Let me run this guy. What is this? We have two variables and variables x and y, and in z we just perform one arithmetic operation, and for showing in output in a HTML page we just use document.get element by id, and for back from here we need to colon wq and just refresh it and we'll get this number. So what's happened here, let's see, I'll show you. So this is what our big int number, right? Both are the, if we multiply then what is the answer? The answer should be like this amount of number we are getting. Fine. Note, arithmetic between a big int and a number is not allowed by type conversion. Loose informations in signed right shift cannot be done in on a big int. It does have a fixed width. Okay, so right shift is not working in this big int, and big int as a number are not allowed. Big int decimals, using decimals we just write one program. It is there, this one is what I'll be let's run this program. So I'm getting 2.5. Why I'm getting 2.5? See, so there is an x has 5 and number, what is that? We just converted this guy, x number x, this have 5 and what 2, so divide by 2.5 we are getting. Big int hexa number, precision curiosity, curiosity. Let me check, guys. So this one is there. So let me check the comparison of these two. So what I will get? So it is true. It's allow me to compare those two numbers. Let me go and down again. So maximum and minimum shape integer. Just a minute, guys. I have some. Just a minute. not get guys are not getting right. Just open on the sound from here. Max safe integer, max safe integer. Okay, minim max safe integer and min safe integer. Max safe integer example, min safe example, new method. So what is this? So till here we can provide guys, we can put the number max and minimum how much I can put like this. I will from here only I can see. Okay, fine. New number of methods. So is integer method we can check. So what it is integer. So we just given the return of this. We just write that program and we are getting a true or false. What is the program? Guys, what actually code is there? So what in document.element id by id HTML number integer is integer, yes, true, but number dot is integer. What I am getting this 2.5 false. Why this is decimal number, not number. Okay. We can also use is safe number. Yes, it is safe, it is not. Till 15 we can calculate. 15 9 here is again 9. So till 15 it will be second one is false. Yes, second one is the false. It will be show as false. Second one, I know that I just told you. So next guys I will go for number methods. What is the number method? Yeah. These are the methods: to strings, to exceptional, to fixed, to prepositions, to value. So these are the what? These number methods can be used on all the JavaScript members. To strings, return a number of strings. To exponential, to return the number of return in the exponential notations. To fixed, return the number written with the number of decimals. To precisions, the return number of with the specified length value of the returns of number of a number. To strings, yeah, to strings method I have to write here. To strings method is this guy, right? Guys, what is this? To string, and I am just to string method. I'll practice this to string method here once. So what is first we declare one variable, and in that variable we just passed one document.element and .html, and to x we just access this number x to string, means right now it is number, right now it is in string break dot number dot to string break 100 plus 23 dot to strings, means it will be calculate or concatenate. Let me check guys. So what I'll be do q, and I'll come back here. So I'll just refresh this guy and I'm getting the proper answer here. 123 minus 23. Why? See, find the sign, see sign. So here it is concatenate, and it is also it's a string value we just given that object only, and here we have on the value has x as 123. So right now next what I'll be do, I'll come with 2 exponential. So when we go for exponentials, whenever our integer side is long, exponentials, whenever we need to use the power, right? Okay, fine. So here what is this? The program is saying has decimal number, x as decimal number, and x2 exponential, x2 exponential 2, exponential 3, 4, exponential 6. See, if I here just simply used 2 exponential and here exponential 2 means we are passing the parameter 2 and 3, 4, 6. So it means that if I go here and refresh, then what has happened? See, after 2, if you use exponential, see 65 is there, right? But it is above 50. Okay, so that's why we are getting the 2, and here 60 it is, oh my god, it's different. So after 6 if you use then parameter, it will be print the 6 number of digit here, and if you use 4 then 4, and if you use 2 digit we will get, yeah, simply nothing else here. So exponential means here but parameters we are passing. So after the dot it will be how much number it will be print, that is showing here there. To fixed, see if I use the fixed here, so what I will be get, let me check with this fixed inbuilt function, build function already given by JavaScript. So what I will be do, b, and we'll come back and run, and what we are getting output and what we are analyzing. See, fixed, we are in fixed we are getting proper. In first one to fixed as 0 means no dot will, single dot will come, but if we come with the 2 parameters, that fixed function, so see 66 and same, but the exponential is not there, that character of exponential we are getting right before in that exponential to exponential function, but here we are not getting. So next guys, we will just small discussed with you guys this this one. So what is this move around file? So if we put j, so j command works same as the down arrow. So how we are using down arrow, right? If we put j, it's mean also down arrow. Okay, if we put h, it's mean we have no place to go left. If we put l, then it will be go left to right. See, if we put h, it will be right to left, the cursor move towards right to left. Okay, and if we put k, so it will be down, bottom to top, it will be the cursor move bottom to top. Okay, move towards bottom to top. So it is, that is means guys, and I means what we are already know. So next what we will going to check here next, I'll click on that next, and here we use vi jumps, we learn about that jumps. So let me check with this program, we already done with Linux move, and so right now I'm familiar with much what vi editor guys. Before it was making me so frustrated using I'm facing so much frustration, but trouble here, but right now it's some rival. Before then I'm getting a lot of things I got to know using this tutorial. So what is there now, to fix example is done, right? And now what is the value of, okay, So this value of program we can just run. Why I'm practicing like this, guys? Because so let's check what does that value of functions means. We have a variable x and x has a 123 integer number, and we just given the document.get element id demo, and in HTML this is the my practice.html has js.practice.html has the one button, that's id that button id has demo. So and after that x value of this is the x dot value of getting this one, we accessing this value of this build function we use with this variable, and after that that value with value of, and same thing what we practiced before. So same thing, we value of means we are not getting any other decimals number here, and simply we will get. In JavaScript, a number can be a primitive value type of equal to number, or an object type of and equal to object. The value of is a method used internally of JavaScript convert number objects to primitive values. Okay, so what type of project is object are there in a value of object? So it's just convert the value of is convert that object type of data in a primitive data values. The no reason it used in your code. Your JavaScript data types have a value of two string methods. Converting variables to numbers. There are three JavaScript methods that can be used in convert the variables of number. So numbers build functions: pers float, pers int, return the number of converted from the argument, pers int perses its argument and return the floating point of number, and perses its argument and return the whole number. The method above are not member methods, they are global JavaScript method. The number method can be used to convert JavaScript variables to number. Cannot converted, none, not a number returned. If number is not be converted to none, not a number is returned. So let me run this program, guys. So let one by one I will check. So first number is true, fine. Second one is false, so it's return the 1 0. Okay, fine. Number is 10, it will be return the number of 10 only, and all whatever with a space it will be print no. I think space will not consider here. See, and the decimal number is also not considered here, and John has what? So it throw the none, and these are the none. Why? Where we are getting this 3. Okay, comma and space will not work here, and this guy is printing, I think, line number 10. This guy is printing 123. So it is returned the decimal value also. Yes. Fine. So let's start the number of methods. Number can be convert a date or to a number. Number method can also convert a date to a number. Okay, let's see. let me check what date we given here. We just let x has new number of x has what this date object, right? Date object has, so what is the issue here? So we are getting 0. Note, date method returns the number of milestone since 1970, the number of milestone between number of milliseconds, sorry, I mean mistakenly I read number of milliseconds between 1970, this is the date, to here is this guy. Let me check with this guy. Come with this guy and refresh the page. So why I'm getting 864 here, and after this numbers use number, so what is there 972. so what actually is this here? The date method returns the number of milliseconds since 11970, means I given this guy this number, right? So till here right now what we have, it's changing the number, that date in a millisecond. So what I'll be refresh, if I refresh that number will be changed, I think. No, it's not changing. Okay, fine. Parse int. So let me run this guy, guys. What is parse int? So see, in parse int what I will be get. Let me run first, so more analyze we can. So here I'm getting minus 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. See. So first one is minus 10 by percent we are using, and second one is also, it is decimal number, but we are returning the number only, not decimal number. And this will be print 10, and this will be print also 10 present. This will give us none, this will also give a none, and this will also give a none. So last three we can check what is there. So we are only last one we are getting none here, but we firstly it will be parse in means whatever the string passes in parameter, so just it considering the integer number, not that is string. So same here, first one is recognized and second one it is not. Okay, fine. So and I'll back from here and comes to next parse float. पानी देना थोड़ा पीने के लिए, पानी. So guys, we just so guys, let's go guys, start practicing again. Let's continue the practice. So this guy, So here what is happening here, the parse float. So whatever that we are printing, it's give us that decimal number outputs, and here what I will get, that none, I think. So let me check. So we are getting none. Everything is fine, and it's not changing the float of, if it is an integer number, then it is should be printing integer number only, not printing any extra dot or something there in output. If the number is cannot be converted to none, and parse float string and return the number specific are allowed. Only the first number is written. Only first number is written of parameter. Okay. Number of object. So these are the what we are learning, guys. We are just learning our build methods. So always in a program we used to work with our build methods only, not write our own created functions. Number of methods cannot be used or variable. So let's number dot is integer, is safe integer, is parse integer, is parse int. So return true if the argument is an integer, return true if the argument is safe integer, return the string, convert the string to number, and convert the string to whole number. Okay, what is the whole number? So from minus to 0 and till in plus numbers are whole number. Okay, the number dot is integer. So here what we will be do, I'll just run the number is integer method returns true if the argument is an integer. Let me copy this guy. Control Shift F. Let me run this guy. I am getting true and false. So before this, in code only we are getting this one, right? Line number 2 has what is integer, where it's written the boolean value, and number is integer, it's written the is integer, and this is decimal value, so it is not printing at all. So you've already done these programs before also. So next what I'll be do is safe, or what is safe integer is an integer can be exactly represent as a double precisions number. The number dot is safe integer method returns the true if the argument is safe integer. Let me check if it is before 15, till 15 we can put. So it is less than 15 than or equal to, then it is fine, it will be true. If we use that 18 number of digit, like it is above the 15, then it should be throw that false boolean value. So simply we will just and already parse float, so we parse float we done right. Let me check to fixed. So let me run this guy. Okay, parse float done. So here is integer, is safe integer, parse float. Let me check run this guy, guys, with once more. So what is this? Number parse float are in string and return the number space are allowed. Only the first number it is written. Only first number will be written. So here it will be throw none, and this number should be print, and this number will print, and this is also. So exact what I am thinking about. So I'm sorry to I'm not able to express you guys my thoughts. So let me, if the number cannot be converted, चालीस से 40. So let me is so next guys, what happened here, will just note the number method parse int and the number of float are the same as the global methods parse int and parse float. The purpose of modularizations of global, it makes it easier to use and same JavaScript code and outside the browser. Number dot parse int. So what is the parse int number dot parse int? Let me run this guy. So one by one we will be analyze the code here, and I'll try to figure out what actually mean of these field functions. And document dot get element numbers dot parsings. So what I'll be get in parsings. Let me save the program first and run this program here in my browser, and what I will get, I'm getting exact -10 as a number, and in line number 3 here is also through that integer type of data, and parse it's through what, let me check, when we use with string, then it will be through that same, and it will be through just to give us 10 only, because first number it will be return, and here also, and last one is none. So fine, this is fine everywhere. So next what I will be do, so some properties are there for that JavaScript number properties. So those properties are what, epsilons, number dot epsilon, number dot max value, number dot mean value, number dot max safe integer, number dot mean safe integer, and number dot positive infinity, negative infinity, and is number dot none. So these are the what we will be learn. So difference between one and the some smallest number greater than 1. The difference between 1 and the smallest number greater than 1. Max value, the largest number of the possible in JavaScript, the smallest number of possible in JavaScript, the max safe integer, the max the mean safe integer, infinity, the return of overflow, the negative infinity, return of on overflow, and that not a number value. So at the end, I think all the numbers are be there. Let me that there is no any programs given specific. So let me run this guy. So what I'll be getting here in the I'm getting the undefined, because I am getting undefined. So x as x dot max value, number of properties belongs to JavaScript. Number of properties, this property can be accessed only number of max value. In max value you can x variable value will return undefined, where x is variable or value will return undefined. So it is also mean value is constant, represent the lowest possible number of JavaScript. I'll just put I and mean. So fine guys, let me run this guy again. What I'll be get here, I'm getting undefined only. Max safe integer. I'll just let's run this guy again. So I'm getting undefined only. So let me this guy off first. Mistakenly I come. Same thing I will be get also in what I'll be do, I'll just run this way. Next I'll be run this one. So I'm getting the proper mean safe integer is none, positivity infinity and negative infinity. Let me check with here only infinity we are getting if I divide with any number with 0, and same thing if minus a minus number if we divide by 0, and none what is the number of none. So let me, if I divide with any string number will be get none. So these are the what. So guys, still here we done, and let's practice next thing here. What is VI jump? So here and donates a number. You can type a number before G, before capital G to jump to a particular line. Okay, so how we can 7G? Okay, see, if I want to jump line number 3, so what it's saying, I have to use 3G. It's not give me the any. So how can we tap? I'm not getting. So G, if you not type any number before G, then and you will be directed to last number of the file. So I will get last number of the file. Let's see where I am getting last number of the file. If I put insert, and then it will be print the Z. So what I'll be do, last number of line. Okay, wait, A, not A, just give capital O. Okay, and if I go up, and if I put like G, capital G, then it should be an D, comes to line number 3. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, fine. Next step. Okay, simply put line number 1. It's not giving me to go there, right? G1, no. GL1, no. Leave this. So I'm facing issue here for jumping some words, guys. We move back to line 9. Look at the book. Look at line 9. So going. So leave this right now. Have issue for deleting VI editor. So before starting starts array, we just learn through about how we can jump our cursor in a VI editor. So what is there? Hi MD. Hi MD. Hi MD Abu Jar. What? I'm just practicing, bro, and after practicing all concepts, I'll start a small project in JavaScript, and let's go with JavaScript arrays. So an array is a special variable which holds more than one value. So it is a variable, it holds more than one value. Okay, it is collection of data types. We can see that. Why use array? If you have a list of items and list of cars names, and for example sorting the cars in a single variable could look like this: BMW. See, right now what we have only 5 or 6 data, and we use variables and all. Suppose you have a bulk of 1 lakh data, like in an Excel file they give you one Excel file, then you have to import those Excel files. Using those Excel files you have to retrieve some particular filtered file. Then we need to go with collection of array, and we need to go the structure, the good to know about that array data types, how it's work, how its build functions are to retrieve those data, right, and to manage those data, to structure those data, right. So that is the why we are learning here array. If you have a list of items, a list of cars names, and for example sorting a cars and single variable could look like this. However, what if you want to loop through a car and find a specific one, then, and what if you had a not 3 car and but 300? The solution is an array. An array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the value by referring of an index number. Okay, creating an array using an array literals is the easiest way to create a JavaScript array. It is a common practice to declare array with a const keyword. Learn more about the const and array of the chapter. So here is the simple array. So let's start with simple array and practice one by one, guys. So here we also know about that BI editor, lot of things, guys, and really for using this I'm getting lot of knowledge of BI editor. And simply I'll come back again here and I'll just set up my system again, guys. Just wait. So guys, let me adjust my mic properly. Give me like this. Okay, so I'll more I can do. So let me check, guys, once how's going. Well, what I'll be doing here, I'll just copy this guy and Ctrl+Shift+V and WQ, and I'll come back again and start run this program. I'm getting this all. Let me see. Check. So guys, have one variable. That is what type of variable? It is an array data type, and we use that what data type? Const data type we used, and it is what type of const, right? And for getting all those data, so we use shav value and BMW. We use that car, that variable has all the values. Right now we'll check like this. So we can also put the data like this. Okay, and same, both are same only. And you can also create an array and then provide the elements. You mean that I'm telling you like this, guys. Like this we can create Just a minute, guys. I have a call from somewhere. Hello. Sorry, guys. I have to just mount myself here, and let me just completed the program, and we can how we can give the add the array data like this. We can also put like we just given our variable, and we just given the index. In index we just given that value, index value as sub and value, and all. We'll also get the access. So we'll get back from here and we'll just run this program. We'll get the answer, right? See, we are getting. But next, using the javascript keyword new, using like new keyword, we can also put see here I have to write put like this. We can put and what I'll be do, I'll just this like this you can do. Next right now if I'll try to print that, it will not print because we didn't provide load. So let me check what I'll be do here. I'll just change some variable name here from here, and run this guy. So we are getting same, right? So what's happening here? It is fine. Now next how we can script keywords we done is accessing arrays element. So how we can access, so right now if want to suppose let I'll provide insert I'll let CA equals to car of 0, car of 0. I'll just like this I will write and I'll give insert, and I'll get down with J, and for shifting right I'll put L, and for erasing this guy I'll just control X, I'll put like this, and I'll back from here, and I'll come back to this guy and run. See, I'm getting sab. Why I'm getting sab? Because I just indexed then accessing our array. So how we can access like this? We can access, and next what I'll be do, changing an array element. So how we can change? So suppose like this, yeah, if we want to change that sab from like this, so I'll just in BI editor we have to use just to shift capital O. So for one enter the position. So what I'll be do, I'll just copy this guy using and control shift F, and my variable name is like something. Okay, I just change that index value sab with OPL PEL, and just added, try to access right now with the car of 0. So what I'll be do, WQ, and I'll run. See, let's check, instead of sab it will be print OPEL. See, we change that. Now changing an array element, changing an array of string, converting an array to a string. Okay, fine. So let me check this using this toString method. What's a toString method does? Converts an array to a string. This guy I'll copy, and what I'll be do here, right, I'll click on this, what is that, I'll just change C, yeah, I'll just change car, I put ICA, I'll just put car dot to string 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 method here, and simply I'll put, and I'll run. So what's happened here, guys, I'll get all the data in a single string. See, I get the data in a single string. So next accessing the full array. How we can accessing right now? Simply linking this accessing with full array. Array are objects. So using this array are objects, we can objects like this. We can provide. So guys, let you introduce of purpose of this live I just practicing JavaScript, nothing else, not purpose to you, and just I'm practicing JavaScript, nothing else to give a tutorials to you guys. I'm also following the page of W3 schools and Java T points. This for I'm just learning myself here and nothing else. And if your purpose is something else here, like to come and learning and some extraordinary things, so this is not for you. and I just practicing JavaScript, guys. And thank you. So next, what I'll be do, okay, do Abu Banalcha. Okay, I'm looking for internship if is available. Is there in your hand any job, please, guys refer me. I just given one drop to you guys. Okay, fine. Next, what I'll be do, array are objects, and I'll just this guy already be done, right? And this is an array, object name are access and members. How we can access? So how type of accessing we can does? So like this we can also access of this guy. And next, we already done. Let me do with this guy. What is there? So like accessing so if you want to access this Volvo, right? So leave this as well as, I'll just capital O and I'll give print, and leave this as well as, and I'll just copy this guy. Okay, I'll copy this guy and Control Shift F, I'll put, and I'll come down. So I'll remove and I'll come down. Okay, come down, and using J here I'll remove car. We have person, right? Person, PER. So we are not having. So if I put I here and we just type capital P, right? Person, 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 this dot last name, LAST, last, capital NAME, lane. So what I'll be get here answer in DOI. Okay, but yeah, DOI. So what I'll be do, I'll from back from here, I'll just give a so I'll no from back, and just I want to access these things. Let me run. So please visit Microsoft. So it is not running, guys. Why is not running? Why I'm not getting the answer proper here? So what is the issue here? So last name is correct or what? It is correct, but why I'm getting the error? Const as a version. So demo, why I'm facing here? So let me check the error here in console. I am getting what is saying, person is not defined. So person is not defined. Where not defined? So person, PERSON, person dot saying person is not defined. It's defined, but why? Like this. I have to check this guy. It's fine. Everything is fine here. Same what he written and what we are getting. Okay, fine. So what is the issue here? I just given here capital P. Okay. So what I will do, I'll just do, and I'll put I and just normally P, and I will and I'll back WQ and I'll run again. Then surely it will be going to run. See, DOI, I'm getting DOI, right? So how this is the one type of object array we created, how we access using that Persian's variable dot key name. Okay, so next array element can be object. Array element can be objects. So yes, it should be an objects. And what JavaScript variables can be objects. Array are a special kind of objects. Because of it, this you can have variable of different types of same array. You can have objects in an array, you can have functions of an array, and you can have arrays in an array. So let me guys, the time is to check delete if I use X. So what I'll be completing here, if I use, suppose I'll come back, see, so right now my cursor is here and just here. So what I will do, I put right X, so it is deleting that cursor's character. If I keep put shift X, means capital X, then it will be that before cursor character it will be delete. Okay, for deleting the line, so I will use double D, it is deleting. Okay, so it's fine, right? X, capital X is done. R means right now we have C, that cursor has. So if I put R, and if I want to change that R with P, then it is simply, it will be changed, replace, that is the replace and XP. What is the XP? So the command XP allows you to switch the two character, and the character of the right of the cursor will become at the place and place of the cursor, and the character of the cursor will be switched to the right of the cursor. See the so let me type XP here, XP. Okay, I will do here. So okay, let me with John did XP. Okay, XP. Okay, XP. Okay, this and is shifting right. Okay, fine. DD is delete. Capital D is what? What is that? Capital D mean capital D. Okay, capital D means only one character of deleting. Okay, and find DZ. Let me go up. DZ. Fine guys, till here are we done. Let's come to our array sections. I'm much familiar with right now. Here's as a in a VI editor we get to know a lot of the things, you guys. An array. So array element can be an object, JavaScript variable can be an object. An array is a special kind of object. Because of this can have a variable of different types of an same array. You can have an object of an array, and you can have a function of an array, and you can have an array of an array. So let's see the length of property. So how we can check. So guys, it's fully loaded with my system. Whole system is fully loaded, so it's the charge of the battery backup is really that power is really less than before. Right now it's not properly 3 or 4 hours giving the backup. It's so much less, like 1 or 2 hours, 2 hours like that. It's giving once I charge full the large length of property. So let's check guys this one, the length of properties. So we done these programs, right? Return the length of array. So I'll just put like this. What I'll be doing here, I'll just refresh. Okay, fine. So everything is fine, right? Next what I'll be do, I'll go to that. The length of property is always 1 more than the height of the array index. Let me check with 4. We are getting the accessing the first array of element. How we can access? We already know about that. How we can access that array using this only. We already done the accessing of last array of element, access last array of element. So using how we can, okay, using so this one is but let me check this one. I have to give like I'll copy this guy and run. Okay, I'll come back down. Oh, no, so it's not giving me down. And I'll delete this guy, and if I try to access what mango root of length is 4 minus 1. So how much data will I'll get here? 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3, and let me write first fr fruit. Fruit. Let me check what I'll get. Mango. And why mango I'm getting here? Do I have any sense of this? Why mango I'm getting here? Length is we have a 3. Length is 4. Okay, I got. So fruits has what from int to its printing. From int it is printing. From this line, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, minus 4, like this. That is a reverse array, you can say. So right now looping array length one by one we will be tried print, guys. So let me guys check you guys are what's discussing in comment section. Little sure. Nice. I'm practicing, guys, and whatever you want to say, and just I'm practicing my daily routines these days, and I'm not here to give tutorials to you guys. I just given a clear in what is that javascript practice live, just I this given, and I'm just using the technology here and practicing. I'm not telling you, I'm teaching you guys, so that's it. And I'm just practicing myself as and nothing, there is nothing any motive of this tutorial, this live. I just am practicing myself, and that's it. Let me do with and also I'm following, if I want to do means tutorials, so I'm not following this taking the reference of these tutorials like W3 schools and what is that Java T point. So fine, so let me check with this tutorial this couple of code, and I'll just give one quest and will back from here W key, and I'll just print. So what's happening, I'm getting what is there. Let me run this program, I'll check what I'm getting here. So I'm getting banana, orange, apple, mango, and all the arrays. Okay, all the arrays are data. Here fruits at length. So what is the length? I'm not printing any length here, f length, but see in let has a one data type, and text is a variable, and it has one ul means underline. Ul means underline, means you will have we use for that, and we just added one loop in let in, and it till how much this loop, how many times it will be run, that how much we have the length of array. So this length is 4, our array length is 4, so it will be run 4 times. Okay, and this is increment. So first it will be run what is that 1, after that it will 2, so that changing the number, it's we increasing the number. We used I++ here, and simply I'll inside that loop text, this is the plus equal operator. So we have what text has some length 4, and equals means what is an equal fruits of I. Li has what? Li has a list has a one that black color of symbol in this guy. This black dot is coming from Li, and fruits have indexing values 1 2 3 4 values will be print, and fruit I has the data, I has the index data. What is that? First time it will print banana, second time it will orange, third time it will apple, fourth times it will be print mango. So for displaying this all, we use document.element.byid, and demo is our ID of that button in that js.practice file, and in the HTML is the text. Next, what is there? You can also use the array.forEach function. For each functions we will use here. So let me run this guy. Oh, it's working. So first has one array type of data we given, and array has a 4 data types. When 4 data like banana, orange, fruit, apples and all, in this way simply be done. And for fruit dot for each my functions. What is that my functions? My functions right now I didn't provide given, but see, text as url document dot element, it's display for displaying purpose. And here the functions. Function is what? Text plus equals to li, the value. Values means what value it's returning this for each function. Values are this banana, apple, orange, these are the values. Okay, and let me text has all the value. Okay, let me run this program first. What is printing, how it's printing the same. Guys, what is here? So what is their value is passing their functions in that parameter. So parameter is the and what parameters we are showing the values. Value has the value of fruits. Let's see, I'll at this values have value has this all the data. Okay, next adding array element. So using push function we can add so what I'll just copy this guy. Okay, and I'll here in this line number I'll put and will give this one. And next what I'll be do here in semicolon I have to provide, right? So I'll just put I has a wait it's showing now. Check how many data will we get here. So I'll get 4. There was before 4 and right now it's 5. So we just use what? We just use push functions here, guys. And so for knowing that length of that lemon, that data, the particular string inside our array, so we can just go for that this fruits length. So we just what I'll be do here, I'll copy this guy. So I'll just print delete all and I'll just simply I will check. I'll check this one and run. I'm getting same. No. So wait, guys, have Next, associate arrays, how we can declare the arrays and all. Examples, line number 6 we can put like this. So we get an array element, and see here in the length after 4 it's asking like undefined, because we have mentioned here 6, index number 6, so there is an 3 index 4 5, it will be print undefined. 4 5 6 as in it will be defined and undefined. In 3 4 5 it will be undefined, and it is 0 integers number index, and 1 2 and 3 4 5 is had undefined. Why? We are not given any index value in that 4 5 6, yes, 4 3 4 5. So let me run this program properly, guys, so I can analyze more, and I can give some changes, like yeah, I'll just, so what's happening here, I just given length of flen, that length, and here if I put like 5, so it's mean 5, it's mean that I'll get only 2 undefineds, right? Okay, see, only 2 undefined we're getting. So loop already be done, and text as fruit of x. So till here we done, and I'll more analyze with next program, guys, with you guys. Associate arrays. So what is associate arrays here? You guys are noticed or not, it's printing that the text variable. And what we are going to do right now, let's check this guy. Many programming language supports array with a name index. Arrays with name index are called associate arrays, and JavaScript does not support arrays or with name index. And in JavaScript, arrays with always used numbered index like this. But I'll be choose here, I'll copy this guy, okay, and I'll delete whole functions, like I will run John 3. So why I'm getting the John 3? Let me analyze the program first. First we have declare one variable const, and that variable name is person, and it is a blank index, empty index, and we just given what persons of 0 1 2 3 in index. We fill that data, and in for printing displaying this in our web page, we just use the get element by id demo .html. Persons of 0 have, what is this, John. And persons of length, what is that, length is 3, so we are getting John and 3, fine. That's warning, if you named index, JavaScript will define an array as an object. After that, some array methods and properties will produce incorrect result. Next is so what is here. So let me check with this guy. If you are use a name index when you accessing an array, and JavaScript will be defined and the array to the standard object, and the some other method and properties will produce undefined and incorrect results, like const copy. I'll come back here and let me delete all this. What is the here? So it's saying that person's 0. What is that person's 0? And index value. So we given name index, right? We given a name index, like first name is John, second last name is. If we want to fetch with 0, it will be say undefined. If we want to fetch that length, then we will get that length. It will be reverse return 0, I think. So let me check with this. What it's saying, guys. See what I saying, guys. Here I'll tell you that. See here, person of 0 we can't use. We can't access that index 0 has a value. Why we are not getting value? Because it's defined with name. In JavaScript it is not applicable. It will be through undefined and come with person dot length. So person has not right now the length, because we just given that length means it can be number of rent, right? We can give the number of names, so we can't find that length here, so it will be return 0. So that is what it's saying about that of this tutorial. Mean that what is the difference between of array and object? JavaScript array with number index, JavaScript object and named index. JavaScript array use numbered index, and JavaScript object use named object. JavaScript array are use numbered index, and JavaScript objects use named index. Okay, when we use object with numbered index, when we use arrays and when we use objects. JavaScript does not support associate array. You should use object when you want the element names to be strings. So you should be use array when you use the elements name to be member. JavaScript new array. What is that, guys? JavaScript new array. So using new keyword we can create an array object, but you can safely use of index instead. This two different statement both create a new empty array name points. JavaScript has a built-in array construction of new array. So const point new array and const point of empty array right now. So these two different statements both create a new array containing 6 number. So let me run this guy. So right now we are learning array, and I'm getting lot of things of array. See, Control Z B, and what I'll be do, I'll WQ and I'll back again here, and I'll just run. So what is that? What we are expecting and what we written in code, and just what I'll be just analyze. So before first one is there. See, second const point has all the number of numbers in collection of data, integer data in a points variable of array, and whatever we are trying to print. So we print index of 0 we are getting, right? But if we comment create a new array like this, variable using var data, what is we are printing here? If we want to, like, if I'll okay, let me access with 0. So what I will be get here, and I'll show you with this guy console, and let me access. So we are getting output, right? Fine. So let me run this guy, and I'm getting that all the whole array. Why I'm getting array whole up array? So where is the variable? It means the data type is where, and we have an array of object 40 to 101, and just we access the point. Point is our variable name. Point. Where is the const person? Array of 3 elements create an array of strings. So let me does. What we are, let's see, Control Shift V. If we want to access that, let's see what I am getting like this. Boom. Where points have the array 40, but we are not able to access. If leave that. What I will do, let me check with this guy. So I am getting undefined, guys. What I am trying to saying you the time. If I say const let me control now. Check this guy, I'm still getting undefined. Okay, fine guys. So this is my practice of the common error what we are getting. So try to be common error, we are same error we are getting. See this one undefined, it will be tell. So what is try to, so we have this. Okay, so if we would try to fetch this data, right, like this, if I pass one list type, what is that? Okay, fine. So if I try to write now, I'll get the answer. Okay, so how JavaScript is working, guys, you get to know about. We just practice lot of here things. JavaScript array of methods. So these are the methods we use in build methods we use in JavaScript. Array basics methods. See also search methods, sorts and iterations methods, shift, unshift, delete, concat, copy within, flat and slice, to splice, to spliced, to array sliced, arrays to spliced, array splice, and these are the array we have getting. So let it be, guys. We just gone through with this guy. Suppose we have dot, so this command used to repeat last line of command. Okay, what I'll be do, so if I what I'll be do, I just click delete. Okay, so if I put like, I'm not getting. If I put like you, then I'm getting. If I put you here, so I'm getting. But if I put slash dot, so it's saying that whole line will be come back. So how I can put like this? I'm not getting this one. Let me check with what is there. No guys, I'm not getting. So it will be delete. I'll delete and let me run with this too. Arrays have. I just use the length of one created array simply, and I'll simply array. I will print this guy from here, and I'll go towards one by one. Okay, so what I'll be do, I'll come back to here. Let me check guys, getting proper voice or what. So now we will be we will practice we'll practice here that array methods. Okay, now we are practicing array methods here. So let me check just wait guys, I have to bring some water. So till here you guys, I'll come to this part and I'm just back to you in just a minute. Just give me 2 minutes guys. So welcome guys, we have come with here we done right. So we'll learn in this session here we u and repeat. For the undo we use u, and for the repeat we use this dot. Okay, fine. For the repeat I think, okay, later we will do. So we'll be learn this in this tutorial. Copy paste in and cut in vi editor. Okay, fine. So where from I'm getting here, right? vi editor. I'm not seeing anywhere vi editor is there. Programmers files. What is the vi editor? So here I'm getting vi editor. So till here I'm till this be completed, right? So now the length of property, the return of the length and size. The Java script toString function is what? ToString is means what? We just convert that all array to in a string. So we already use this guy, right? So we are not converting anything here. We are like this. We'll get array 8. See, if I use array 8, so we also learn these things tomorrow. Yesterday's what is that? Yesterday's class, practice class, practice. We cannot class says class here. We just say practice here. FRUIT fruit dot at what is 0 fine that will be do so fine. So let me run this program, guys. I'll getting the banana. Okay, fine. Banana has the first index and I will try to mango, so it is. So let me check get a third element of the fruits. So we just give the number of 2. It returns the index element from the array, and 8 method returns the same as list. 8 method of support browser 22. JavaScript array join. So using this join, what we are going to learn here. So join method is also joins all the array elements into a string. To behaves just like ToString, but the additions you can specify in the separate. Like if it like some ToString only it is there, like ToStrings how it is convert the array in a string, but here it is difference is there, like it will be add, we have to pass the parameter in that joins method, and that whatever the parameters we will pass, it will be put on that after the data every single of index. Okay, every single of index it will be pinned. Okay, what I will do, instead of star asterisk will be instead of a star will be, what I will do, fine. Okay, in there I will replace with hyphen. Okay, okay, I'll call it colon and back, and I'll just run my program here, guys. See, I'm getting all. So why I'm not getting the proper answer of these guys? So I'm getting that missing name after the operator. So what is that? After that the operator missing name. Where I'm getting missing name? Yes, here. So what happened, when I paste this message, right? Just simply I'll back again, and now it will be run. So what is syntax? Missing name after operator dot operators. Now I'm getting perfectly fine. And pop means what? We just deleting anything. Okay, and push means what? We just adding. Already we done. We are not going to add. Push like this, we can put fruits dot push and add like this, and it will be written on that last. Okay, fine. What is the number of the time? Push kiwi. I And what is there? Fruits has the 5 data and all the 5 data are there. Index number it's printing, so printing that kiwi, adding that kiwi. And length, where I am getting that length is somewhere is length. No, it's not, where is that length? Okay, let push returns the new array of length. Okay, got it. Okay, this that's the number. Shifting elements, shifting an equivalent and popping but working on the first element instead of the last. JavaScript array shift method removes the first array element and shift and all other elements to the lower index. So what it removes? Shift method removes the first array element and shifts all the other elements to the lower index. So this is the first step. We just shift, right? We just use shift fruit dot shift. Let me check with this guy. What did we get here? Fine. Fine. Control colon. No, run this guy. So I am getting just banana. Why I am getting banana only? And I am getting here all the things. Why? Length we use, right? Fruits. But it's length of what we work here. Let me please read. Okay. What is there? No, I'm not getting guys proper conclusion. I'm not getting here. I'm getting fruits and shifts here. Like what is there? Fruits has shift. If I use this guy, so now I'll get the answer. I know that the time what I am facing, what is there? See, I have some issue, right? Document.get element is null. What is that null? Why I am getting null? So demo. So I will use this guy. I will type insert one. Again breathing. What should I put here? I don't know. So let me run this guy. Now it will be run. And what is there? Get element by is null. And what's is null? Why is null? Okay. This guy I have to delete now. Now check. Still I am getting the null. Why I am getting the null? I think it's not supporting. Yeah. Line number 3. Okay, fine, leave it guys. This one. I have a doubt. Let me have a lever and unshift. Unzip means what? Okay, wait. Console B, and okay, I'll come back, and these two I'll copy. In HTML file I will start. I'll add these two guys. Okay. I got. What is the issue that time? I got. So we just now we will be get the output. See, fine. And so that time what I just used, that time I just used and given the demo ID number is given wrong, that in this here, that is the reason I'm getting error. So changing elements, array elements are accessed using the index number. Changing elements, array index are accessed using their index number. Array index start with 0. 0 is the first array element, 1 is the second, and 2 is the third. Guys, just wait a minute, let me change my place one by one. Yes, just a minute, guys. Is some now it's fine, guys. Let me just I change the place and fine. So what here it is there next, changing elements. So one by one, index is the first array element and is the second and third. So using index only we can change the elements of an array. So why we are going to HTML file, we'll have to back again and we'll go to the JS file and I'll delete all the things here. So what I'll be doing here, I'll just refresh and getting the banana, orange and all. Okay. Fine. So guys, next what I'll be do, JavaScript array of length, we already know about that, those things. So let me check this guy. How we can change the number and length? Fruits of 0 we just changed kiwi with banana, right? And I'll just complete v, and here is what's happening, fruit dot length kiwi. So kiwi has what it will be return what, string length or what? Let me check. It is returning what, string length or what? So it is not returning the length and just simply is printing, and after that it is printing, guys. Okay, fine. Next, array of length we done, na? JavaScript array delete. So using delete, how we can use this delete function? we just declare one fruit here. Same thing, just fruit is of 0. What I will do, delete keyword here and that in variable of index number, that's it, nothing else. So that is will be banana, it will be show an output, and second it will be delete that banana, and that's it. Let me go with run the program. So this fruit is banana and second one is undefined, banana is not there. If you want like index has nothing, right? If you want like this, and if you want this, okay, and run, then it will be print all fine. So we completed till delete. Concatenate. How we can concatenate all arrays? Here is the arrays. We just use concatenate, and let me check they are getting this all in one single line of array list. So first is one variable has 2 girls, 3 boys, and just concatenate it with my children's equals to my girls dot concate my boys. So first this Silly and Lon will be show, and after that Emil, Tobias, Linus, these are will be show after this. Okay, so it is in a list, it is a printing, it is in a string. In a string it is a printing, guys. It is in a string, it is printing. Okay, so what is there? Not concate method does not change the existing array, it is always return a new array, and concate method can take a number of array argument. Example, merging 3 arrays. Yeah, simply if there is a more array, then we just adding here like comma and like old one more array we can just define before, and we can add also, we can add and merge all the array. So merging will, so concatenate method is also take a string of argument, merging values, copy within copy within. So let's start copy within, learn. I'll do so here run. So what is here? I'm getting, see, fruits have a 4 type of data, okay, 4 type of banana data, and it's just fruit copy within 2, 0. What is the parameter means? What is the parameter means? We have to learn copy within method copies array element to another position of the array. So you didn't recognize anything, like let me check banana and orange, where is printing? So banana and orange and banana and orange. So what is here? We have apple and mango also there, but we just copy within inside that array only. We just copied. What copies? First two means banana and orange. That's it. We are getting here banana and orange 2 times. So if we delete insert 3 and I'll put like this and back, I'll do here, if like this problem is getting right, Q I'll not save. I'll not save. I'll not save. I'll not save. I'll not save, and I'll put 3 here. Insert 3. I know that this thing happened to me always. Okay. Let me check with 3 numbers. So I'm getting 3 only. Why I'm getting 3 only? Why my program is not proper? See? Okay, banana, apple, orange, apple, banana, and after 3 it's showing the output. Okay, if I okay, so what is there? And second index 1. See, second index means what? Banana, orange. It should be become a banana, right? That is printing what? Orange. Okay, fine, guys. Next we'll go with the program called copy with is done. What is the copy with the third parameter? The third parameter it should be range path kiwi, range kiwi, range kiwi, range kiwi. Okay. Papaya. So copy within methods overrides the existing values. Copy within methods does not read items to the array with items. Copy within method does not change the length of array. Okay. Flatting of an array. JavaScript array flats. Flat method creates a new array with a sub array elements concatenated to specified depth. Let me check. In this browser, these are the working, and that is why I'm getting these numbers here. We put anything else here? Yes. So see, inside an array. Okay, this is called what is that? 2D array. 2D array. This is 2D array, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 3, 5, 6. Okay, it is inside of an array. Array has one list, like inside array has an array. Has an array means sub array. We can say that sub array. We can say that it is sub array. How we can access those arrays here? This is using my array add dot flat using flat function, but I'll be complete here in flattening the array of process, the reducing the dimensionality of an array. Dimensional डालेगा उसका, it will be remove the dimensional. Flattening the useful when you want to converting a multi-dimensional array into one-dimensional array. Okay, see, these are the 2D array, right? And we just converted with a single single array. 2D array, it is a narrow now single array. So fine. Yes, everything has fine right now. Flat function we used. What is the flat map? What is that flat map here? So I'll copy this guy. Control F. Okay. And I will run this program. Okay. Here, and what's happening here? I'm getting x into x comma just x comma x into 10. So it's a, what is that, the flat map is method first map all the elements of an array and then create a new array by flattening an array. So first it is created one new array, 110 220. So see, it multiply with each contains the number of arrays are there simply, and fine. Browse support, these are the browse supports. Splice, so how array splice, guys? So how array splice, guys? Let me check with how splice. A method can be used to add new items in an array. So let me check what is the, yeah. So first we declare one variable of array, and after that we display with this guy. So it will be print all, right? Find fruit that splice. Let me do with my VI editor, and I'll back and I'll run this program here, and I'll get this two answer, this two. And what is that my displaying here? See what is there. Second one is showing me that splice 2 comma lemon and kiwi. Lemon is there? No. Kiwi is there? No. So lemon, what is the defining here? 2 and 0. I think it is index or what. So let me check lemon, kiwi and lemon. So 0. So what is the parameter we passed? 2 and 0. So in the position of 2 it's putting kiwi, lemon and kiwi. And what is the second parameter? I don't know. What is that second parameter? We don't know. So first parameter, the first parameter 2 defines the position where the element should be an added slide. The second parameter is how many elements should be removed. Any element should is removed here? 0. No, we are not removed any what it called parameter. So let me check with the if I put here 1, so it should be a delete our what it called it should be a delete our first. See, I'm getting the proper answer, but these are the guys how they are getting like zero, right? Well, I'll put 1. I'll put 1 comma and now stick. It should be removed. So right now it's fine, guys. Better to practice more, so we'll get know about more about this guy. Splice to remove elements. Using splice we can remove also elements, guys, here. So where it's used 0 and 1, right? So what we are splice. So if I zero and apple and mango, and what is that? Banana is went out. So script array to spoil. So guys, we will just learn this all. So this one I have to learn smoothly and not I'll do fast anything here. Let me check, guys. So Java string array to supply method is what? So ES2023 added an array to supply method to save way to slice an array without altering the original array. The difference between a new to spliced method and the old splice method is that new method creates a new array keeping the original array unchanged, while the old method altered the original array. So let me run this program, guys, first. So I have a const array Jan 5 March April, and this is white, so it should be delete Jan, right? Jan, it's deleting Jan. So if I come this with this guy, if I come with this guy and I'll copy and I'll just delete all the files folders here and all the lines of code, and I'll run it from here, and I'm getting orange, lemon, apple, mango, all. So what is the mean of this guy? So slice has one parameters like one, so one is the banana. Okay, what do you mean by second parameter here? So what is the mean of second parameter here? What is that? So if I 2 and execute here, so I'm getting two numbers. Okay, so if I put like 1 here, and what I'll be get? I'm getting Jan, but Jan I'm getting, and it's deleting 2, 5 and March. Okay, so fine, guys. Slice out a part of an array string from array element 1 and orange. So it's done. Slice methods creates a new array. Slice method does not remove any element from the source array. Okay, fine. Slice out the part of an array starting from array element 3 apples. Let me practice more, guys, of this tutorial. Hello. Just a minute, guys. I'm just practicing, checking the mango. I'm fine. It's fine. So what is here? It's fine, no? Hello. So let me check with this program, guys. So what is this? So const fruit, banana, orange, lemon, apple, mango. These are the array of fruits, and citrus fruits dot as slice 3 citrus we are just printing, and fruits have a slice 3. Lemon is a citrus, so it will be fetch lemon and print the lemon. Okay, is citrus, and fruit has what? Fruits has what fruits? So in fruits it will be print all or what? Let me check. So citrus is lemon, it's deleted. Orange is citrus, it is deleted. But The reason is now. Line number 3. It's printing line entity. Why I'm getting that line number 2 here in output? Only I'm getting mango and this orange and lemon I'm not getting. So why? I just type 4 so let me run this guy and check with what I'm getting. Only mango. Okay, see here, if I put like what is there, if I put like 4, then it from index 4 mango is there like index 4 and till 3 it will be deleted. So that's mean what it is. Okay, /2 I will getting here banana, orange and lemon it will be delete. Orange, lemon it will be print. See, check lemon it will be print. Okay, fine. So okay, I just want to know that all concepts. So automatic twist strings are, what is automatic twist strings? Okay. So twist strings is nothing but it is always change the array to in a string. The JavaScript automatically converts the array to comma separated string when the primitives values to accepted. This is the obvious is disconnecting, guys. Issue here. Let me check. So working or fine or what? We already learned about that twist string is fine. What is that automatic from twist string? Simply we just given simple one. So this is what get fruits. Simply we are getting that array twist strings. What is that automatic? Simple we fruits only. So none. All JavaScript objects have arrays two strings methods: searching array, sorting array, iterating array, completing array, references. So let me go with that array searches. All of the searches methods are what are the searches methods are, guys? So what are the searches methods are? Let me check, guys, with another. Index of last index includes finds index last finds in last index, basic methods, sort method, iterations methods. These are already we learned, right? So I just what I'll be do JavaScript array. I just learn the definitions and practice one by one all the code. So let me first, I'll come back to here. So vi cut, copy and paste in command mode. So you can cut, copy and paste line without following commands cut and dd. Current line of it. We want to delete this whole line. is to copy the line and move to the cursor and the one to copy the by and is to copy okay fine. So guys, what I'll be doing here, and I'll just copy this file. See, whatever I'm typing, right, what is saying, like, see, this is like, if I put like insert double D, it's deleted. And if I put like this and if I put like insert, okay, a double copy, double Y, okay, wait, like double copy and LA and getting, I'll just want to paste, so it's not giving me. So Control Shift E, it's not working. So I want to just paste, Control V. How can we? No, it's not giving me to paste. So what I will be do, so I'm facing issues guys here. For let me delete first. Don't want right now anything else here. Capital copy paste and simply guys cut paste and the really I'm fed up of this guy. And right now what I'll be do, later I'll be tell you the things. I'm still facing these things. So you already learned that index of page and all. So next what I will do here, so let me check with this index file, right, const javascript index of method. So what it does first, why we use index of, first we need to know, right? So the first item has the position 0, the second item has the position 0, as shown. The index of method searches an array for an element value and returns its positions. So what index of, it returns the position of an array and what is that, and return the value positions of the particular index. Okay, so if I delete and if I run, okay, go back, don't run right now, and let me tell me that what position will get. So index of apple, what is the index of apple? +1. So position has +1, and what positions, I'm just printing position. Index is 3, index is 2, index 0, 1, 2, you get the 2 and +1, 3. We should get the output 3. So no, the apple is found in the position of 2. So what is the here? So we are getting the 1. So okay, we are, it is on 1 only, right? But there is a 2 apple in that list, so it will always consider our first one. Okay, so come with index, last index of. So what is the last index of, means what, array returns -1, the item is not labeled. If If the item is present more than once, it returns the position of first occurrence. So first occurrence it will be print. Okay, fine, I get to know that return the position of last occurrence of the specified elements. So last occurrence of the specified index, what is mean that copy guys this one, and I'll last index of our printed, right? And if I run this guy, let me check what I'll getting. The output is 3. So why I'm getting the 3 here? It's a index of 3. So last occurrence of the position of right, but it is not 3. So okay, it will be print the mango total. Okay, fine. So it means that if here, if here we give it will be written 4 right now. If it was the 3, so why I'm getting the 3 only here? So let me check. So it's printing this one only, 3 only guys. So what is that? Okay, wait, let me do one thing here. Again, always this thing may anything we have to do guys for this. Only 3 I am getting. Why? This position is 3 now. I'll check cross verify of this guy. Okay. Let me check. See, I'll get 4. Yes, I'm getting 4. So fine guys, this is what I'm practicing of these days. JavaScript array includes. What is the array includes here? Array finds is there, array find index is there. So lot we have to go guys. Includes. Includes CMS script important array that we use to array to allow us to check if the element is present in the array, in array, fluid, none, and like index of. If apple mango is there, then it will be true. If mango is not there, it will be false. Simply include function means what that. So let me whenever so let me try with this guy guys. Really it's one of the important only sometimes we can use in our project whenever we go for our big data, means data analytics part of in, okay, it will be work. It is important. These are the only important for JavaScript guys too. I'm getting, I know that. Simply I just printed, nothing else. Java supports all the browsers. JavaScript array finds objects. So come to here guys. Come back again and just learn about something. Finds method returns the value of first array element that passes a test functions. The example finds return a value of first element that has larger than 18. Okay, so it's just really important. Right now what I will do is simply without here, what is here? Let me have some water guys. Let me drink some water. Let me do some. Okay, I just run this code, and what is there? Let numbers have a collection of array type of variable we had declared here. And first has a let is a what variable type of. First has a number dot finds. What is finding? It is finding the that my functions. So this is the displaying document.element displaying the HTML web. And functions, my functions we got, this guy is got. Now first variable is right now, what is that? Parameters, value, index and array value, index and array. It has value, index and array. Okay, so return values greater than 18. So it has a greater than 18 in where in index, in value means these are the values 4 6, these are the value. Index means what? 0 1 2 3 4, these are the index here. Array is that number. Okay, so it will be find that the value of in index of this array, this fine. So it will be print like 25 and 29, right? Let me check. So we are getting 18 is and 25. It is okay, we are getting only after it in 25 only. So it is not accepting keeping that all data means after that 29 is there, right? It is not storing. So we for showing those not storing on that, it's keeping that one value only. The item value, the item index and the item itself. Okay, item itself. Okay, array itself. Browser has working array. Finds index. So what I'll be do here, I'll you guys are getting solution for this, I don't know what. So what is the index? After 18, what is the index, guys? I'll show you. After 18, index is 325. So last index, find last. So I will not save. If you don't want to save them, this guy. So what I will do, you like this. It will become, and I'll change find last. Let me run this guy. So what I'm getting index of a 19. See, if I guess index, before index it will be print that after that what condition we put it. It's right now it's printing that 29. So here we get the clearance about that find last. Okay. Here at the clearance of find last. Okay. Find last index. So find last index here. What is that? What last index? What I will do? Oh, for index. So what I find last? Okay, I'll just print and I'll check. See, 4. I'm getting the correct. So thank you guys. So I'm just ending the session right now here, and